Attack on an honest Mumbai cop by the MLAs inside the Maharashtra assembly may have shocked the nation, but 10 days later, ASI Sachin Suryavanshi stands suspended and the two MLAs who assaulted him are off the hook. That is the bitter reality. And it's all thanks to a massive cover-up job by the Maharashtra government. As a result, no proof is emerging against the MLAs despite the presence of as many as 28 CCTV cameras inside the house premises. Now, despite the availability of CCTV footage, the police, the legislative panel probing the matter say there is nothing to prove that MLAs Ram Kadam and Kshitij Thakur assaulted Sachin Suryavanshi. They say it's difficult to establish the identity of the attackers. So does this also mean that the eyewitnesses of this brutal assault on the cops saw nothing, or have they too been silenced? This only confirms the fact that in this country there are two sets of laws, one for the common man and one for the high and mighty. Now, where are the statements of the eyewitnesses, the Legislative Assembly staff, the security men, the officers who rescued Sachin Suryavanshi? What about their first-hand accounts? Look at the other aspect here as well. If the legislative panel probing the Sachin Suryavanshi case is so convinced about the absence of any proof whatsoever against the MLAs in the CCTV footage, well then why are they shying away from making it public? Is there then something really on this footage which needs to be hidden? Now, what's even more shocking is that Maharashtra's Home Minister R.R. Patil announced the suspension of the ASI Suryavanshi in question on the floor of the House. He termed his behavior rude even before the outcome of the probe. So the police, which is probing the matter, hasn't been given access to this crucial CCTV footage, which could nail the guilty who assaulted this cop. Now, it's a 7-member committee constituted by the Maharashtra Assembly, which is examining this entire case, this incident. But by not making the footage public, the legislative panel and the Maharashtra Assembly is giving an impression that law is not being upheld. Now, this situation also puts a big question mark on the role of the Chief Minister of the state as well, Prithviraj Chavan. Even despite this national outcry, why is the Chief Minister still silent over the incident? Now, in fact, when you look at the entire timeline, almost 10 days have passed, but Prithviraj Chavan hasn't promised justice to this policeman in question. The murder of justice happened right under the nose of the so-called Mr. Clean of Maharashtra. He seems to have shut his eyes over the conduct of his own government. Now, he's concerned about, well, in the assembly about the approval of the government's budget rather than upholding the rule of law. Now, if Chavan really wants to be seen as a chief minister who means business, then he must immediately make the CCTV footage of the incident public. In order to win the confidence of the people, he also must order an independent probe in this case.